Hey game designers, in this tutorial we're going to cover how to import and export a script. Okay, so for this example, we're going to actually import a script that I created called the My Custom Health Bar script. Let's go ahead and open up GameFroot, go to our class work tab and click on GameFroot. Okay, make sure you log in, click Start Making. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go to scene 2. And when we last left off, we created this health bar. But if we put it above our player's head, we recognize that it does not follow the player, right? And we were wondering if it was possible for us to create a health bar that does follow the player. Okay, I'm gonna hit close. All right, so in order to do this, let's go ahead and drag a health bar on top of our player's head. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this one right here, place it above the player's head. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in here. Okay, and you can see that there is a default script attached to it, which is the same as this health bar here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the upper right here, and we're going to remove the script. Okay, so now it has this white, low battery looking symbol, and now the asset no longer is affected by the previous script. So actually, it becomes like a object that you can interact with, right? Because it no longer has a script that keeps it mounted or affects it by physics. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our own script. To do this, we're going to scroll up to the top. We're going to go to code. We're going to click on add new script. Okay, it's going to open up the script editor, which has nothing in it. We're going to go ahead and go to our Google Classroom now, and we're going to go look for my custom health bar script. Okay. Now, in order for us to copy this, we're going to have to click on View Materials. And it's a long script, but it's actually much smaller than this. All we have to do is triple click. Okay. So if you double click, it will select the word. If you triple click, it will select the entire post. You're going to right click and go to copy or Control C to hotkey. We're going to go back to our script editor here. And now we're going to click on the triple bars and we're going to import the script. Okay. So once we're ready to import the script, we're going to click on paste script, or just click here where it says paste code here. And we're going to right click and we're going to paste or Control V. It will import the script and then you will hit import. Okay. Now you'll see the script. And now we're going to go ahead and rename it. Okay. So we're going to rename this My Custom Health Script. Okay. We're going to hit play, or we're going to hit the X, and we're going to save it. Okay. Now let's go ahead and click some other object, and then we'll go back to here, and we can see here that it doesn't have the properties necessary for this script to run. So what's going to happen is that we're going to go ahead and apply our script now. So let's go ahead and go down here. You can see that we created the script. We're going to left click it and left click on the upper corner. And now we have applied the script. To check if the script is working, just click on a different object, click back here, and see that the script has the properties necessary, which it does not. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go here now and actually change the script properties. Okay, so we're going to edit script My Custom Health. Okay, because even though you applied this script to that asset, you have to give it its script property values. To access script property values, we click on the triple bar here and click on script properties. And we're going to click this thing right here called instant tag. And we're going to change it to player, meaning that this health bar is going to use player as the person it follows and the person's health that's being tracked. Now, you can actually change this to AI, and it will keep track of the AI's health. Okay. And the last thing I want you to do is click right here and make snap to camera public so that we can turn in the editor, turn off the snap to camera or turn it on. We hit done, we hit the X, we hit save. And now if you click on some other object and click back here to refresh it, you will see that the two tags that we made public are now public inside the scene editor. So now that the instance tag is player, it will follow the player around, and because this is turned off, it will snap to the player versus snapping to the camera. Let's go and hit play and double check that our script is working. Okay, so let's go ahead and maybe jump into the lava and maybe we can see if our script is working. Okay, and there you go. Now we can create a script that follows the player or even a AI or an NPC if that's what we so choose to do. And we're going to go ahead and end the video. I'll see you guys next tutorial.